So yes guys, what is happening? As you guys can see from the title of the video, today we've got the Corsa VXR. We're going to be giving it a little service. Before we try something new, as I said, most of the time when we get our car serviced, we go to the garage to get it serviced. A lot of you guys said you want to see us work on our cars ourselves. So me and Baji got the VXR today. We're going to give it a little service, which is just going to include an oil change, an oil filter change. Obviously with this service, we're not giving it a major service because we've already had new spark plugs put in recently. In this service, it's just going to include a new oil filter and just some new oil. We're going to show you exactly what oil we're going to be using in the VXR, and as I said, we're going to get under the car's on the ramp, if you guys can see. So yeah guys, if you enjoy this type of videos, make sure you guys drop us a like and subscribe. As I said, it's the first time we're doing something like this, so let us know what you guys think in the comment. Drop us a like, and as I said, let's get straight into it.
Yes guys, the oil I'm going to be using is obviously Miller's oil. Obviously the engine is forged, it's a forged VXR, so yeah. SFC 5W40, obviously this is the oil I'm going to be using in the Corsa VXR. So yeah, the oil filter that I'm going to be using is a man filter. Obviously this comes with a seal. It's about £8, and obviously oil was about £50, so yeah, so in total it probably costs about £60–70 if you do it yourself. So yeah, as you can see, got the socket sets, got everything we need. But obviously I will be telling you guys what sockets you need and everything. Obviously we've got a funnel, some tissues, obviously some oil. I had some leftover oil from previously when the engine was forged, so I just brought another 5 litres. Guys, as you can see, obviously the sump is here, sump plug obviously is here. All you got to do is remove that, and obviously we're going to drain the oil out. Oil filter is over here. As you can come a bit closer, as you can see, oil filter is just here. It's a 24mm socket is what you're going to need. So yeah, we're going to take these out, and then yeah, normally you get a T45 torque split for this, but obviously this is a different one. I think I'm going to need a socket for this, but most of you guys at home, you will need a T45 torque split, I believe, and then obviously a 24mm socket.
So obviously, as you guys can see, Siraj is obviously just...
It's a bit tight. Oh, this is fucking tight, man.
Shit.
So yes guys, that is the oil change. Obviously we've drained all the oil out, so obviously here we've changed the sump plug. You don't really have to do this, but we decided obviously just to change it. And if you come over here, nearly slipped there. If you come over here, obviously we change the oil filter. The seal goes on it, obviously lubricate that up with some old oil and yeah, change that, tighten that up. Obviously that's a 24 mil. And then obviously this is a T45, but now we're gonna obviously lower the car down and obviously top the oil up. These cars do take about 4.5 litres of oil, so yeah, we're gonna top it up and then obviously keep checking the dipstick. As the oil filter that we use is obviously a MAN one. This cost about £8, obviously GSF or Euro. Shout out to David, obviously he got us here. He said do the oil change yourself. I'll plug his Instagram here, so yeah, shout out to you David. We wouldn't be here, obviously without your encouragement. But yeah, we're gonna top the car up now, 4.5 litres of this Miller's oil. Like I said, my Corsa VXR is forged, so obviously if your Corsa VXR isn't forged, you're probably gonna have to obviously check the specs. And obviously, I mean, you can get the oil from Euro car parts, GSF, like I said, but obviously have a look, because obviously this is used for like obviously forged engines and stuff. So guys, what we're gonna do now is obviously there's no oil in the engine, as you can see. We're gonna start the car up, and yeah. I'm only joking guys, don't do that. We are actually using the funnel over there, the red one, as you can see. Make life easier.
Guys, we'll give you a little update after once this is done. Obviously once the Siraj is filling that, we're going to get the car off the ramp, put the dipstick in, obviously check if the oil's topped to the right level. And as I said guys, we'll be back with you guys in a second.
So guys, I've put about 2 litres of oil in now. Obviously this was left over, like I said. Now I'm going to get the other one and keep filling it up again. Obviously going to check the dipstick on where it is. So guys, I'm just going to check how much oil is in there, obviously with this dipstick. Obviously clean it before, put it back in. As you can see, there's not really much in there. It's only a little bit, so long way to go, innit, Badgie?
Yeah, got a while, bro. So obviously guys, we got obviously through the old one, as we said. When we had the engine forge, we used all that one up. We got into the new one, and yeah, so hopefully guys, as I said, we've checked the dipstick. Obviously it's nowhere near full yet, as we expected. So obviously once this is done now, as I said, once it's fully done, we'll get it off.
Should run a bit smoother, obviously. Yeah. These engines are a bit tacky because obviously the injectors are noisy, but should run a bit smoother.
But now the ST serviced, it ran a bit smoother after I had it done, and it once the oil change was done. So
yeah, so roughly around 1.5, 2 litres there.
Yeah.
Should let that go down, and then we'll check it again and get back to you guys. So yeah, guys, I've just put another 2 litres in. Obviously, I think we've just put about 4 litres, over 4 litres in. As you can see, the dipstick, I did clean it. It is quite full now. So yeah, just gonna turn the car over, leave it running for about 30 seconds, and then check it again. So guys, I'm just gonna turn the car over. Obviously, it seems to be full, so I'm just gonna turn it over, leave it running for about 20 to 30 seconds, and obviously check the oil again, and then we'll get back to you. So yeah, there's no lights on the dash, no oil lights, no nothing. So yeah, it's gonna leave it running for about 20 seconds, 30 seconds, turn it off, and then obviously check the oil and then take it from there. So yeah guys, just gonna check the oil again, obviously clean it. Left the car running for about 30 seconds. Let's see. So yeah, that seems to be full. So yeah, I think we're good to go, ain't we, Badgie?
Yeah, bro.
Thought we would have fucked it all up, but
at least we didn't fuck anything up, innit?
Yeah, guys, I'd highly recommend that obviously you do this yourself. Obviously we use the ramp, but you can do it obviously on your drive. If you use axle stands, you got a jack. You save a lot of money as well. This only cost us, obviously the oil was £50, oil filter was £10, £8, and then sump plug was only about a couple of quid. So yeah, all in about £70, £75. So yeah, highly recommend you do it yourself. And yeah, we've got our hands dirty today, guys. Guys, obviously we just come, obviously get the car up, see if there's any leaks, and there seems to be no leaks, obviously on the sump plug and then the oil filter. So yeah, I think we're good to go. Successful day. So yeah guys, that is it obviously for today's video. Before we switch it up a bit, obviously get our hands dirty. So yeah, oil change done, oil filter change. We do have a few more bits that obviously I want to do to the car. I am thinking of getting like a forged strut brace. We've got some lowering springs on the Fiesta ST that we are going to fit ourselves as well. So yeah, Hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, smash that subscribe button, and yeah, hope you guys enjoyed obviously us getting our hands dirty. We're gonna do more videos like this, and let us know what else you want to see. Obviously we've got a few car features coming, so yeah, thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.